My inner MySpace is pleased. Guess what, people? It is raining. Holy crap, it's California and it's raining. You can't judge me. It doesn't rain. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. Okay, Mom's in the bathroom. We're not gonna look like I'm crazy for the camera.
Who are you talking to?
The camera.
Is there anybody on it?
No.
What are you doing?
Making a video.
Have you never seen rain before?
No.
You freaking out, man?
Yes.
It's just rain.
It's more than rain.
It's like being in the shower for the world.
It's like my husband though. Like
Freaking the cat out. She thinks she gets to go somewhere.
it's raining, man. Okay. Anyways, so gonna spin. It's just so beautiful. My neighbors think I'm crazy. I'm just gonna film, like, okay, that's a bad idea. I was drop my phone on my face. So, I haven't made a video, I know. But it's because I was a zombie. Not, that's a horrible excuse. Simply put, I got lazy. No, come back. I got lazy. Really lazy. And I'm sorry. But, you know, I have no inspiration. I'm just gonna keep filming like this, because like kitty. I didn't film anything, so you get this majestical thing of MySpace angles. MySpace. Eyeball. There's hair in my eyeball. And rain. Guess what? This channel, you can't read that. God dang it. I never think these things through. It's not inappropriate. Alright, that's good enough for enchilada. Mom, the thing did the beep.
I really don't know what I would have done if you would have told me that.
Mom, you wanna?
Nope. Stop.
Where?
I need dinner.
Okay. Bye. Say bye.
Peace out, yo.
You want to try that again?
No.
You sure?
Say what I want to say in my way.